In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications on your MacBook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar, and then you want to go down and select where it says System Settings. And then on the left side, you want to locate where it says Notifications and select that. And then on the right side, you can go ahead and toggle off the notification options here. So where it says show notifications, you can just toggle all of them off if you want. And you can also turn them off for specific applications down here as well. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.